Number 7 says, write down an equation of a cubic function that would give a graph like the one shown here. Notice that it crosses the x-axis at -1, 0, 3, 0, and 4, 0. Okay, so we just need an equation that does that, right? So, and it doesn't say what form. So really, we just know that these are the zeros. X equals -1, x equals 3, and x equals 4. So we just need to write the factors that would give us that. Well, x plus 1 is a factor that would give me -1, x minus 3, and x minus 4. Those are all factors. And if you want to check, remember to set a factor equal to 0 and then solve gives you your 0, right? Set a factor equal to 0, solve, it gives you your 0. Set a factor equal to 0, solve, it gives you your 0. So if I have this equation, then it would have these 3 zeros and it would give me that kind of graph, right? And we can plug this in, again, to our graphing calculator. That's the great thing about knowing the different forms, knowing how the algebra relates to the graph, is you can use them to check each other. So I'm typing in what I wrote, and I'm going to graph it and see if that gives me a fairly reasonable sketch like the one I see. Yes, it goes up through -1, down through +3, and up through -4. So yeah, this is an equation of a cubic function. Now I'm going to be really picky. This is technically not an equation yet, it's an expression. So an equation would have this equal to f of x or y. You need an equal sign to be an equation. So you do 7b